Hello, and I haven't recorded for a little while, but no, my hair's not short. In a bun. Now I'd like to show you what I go through a little bit each day. This is my little one. He has the hiccups, and unfortunately, I can't feed him while he has the hiccups, especially these big ones, and it's driving him insane because I usually do give him something to drink, and he can't with these big hiccups because he'll choke. And he's having a fuss, a field day, and gonna get rid of those hiccups first, buddy. And you're gonna be worn out at the end, and you're gonna pass out when I feed you. And you know that. We lost the sock already. I'm supposed to keep your feet warm and circulated because he has really cold feet. No, Jacob Pooh. Alright, let's try to get these hiccups down.